Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to try another Clash of Code. Okay, my ranking, I am 273rd out of nearly 400,000. Join a clash. Oh look, right on time, and there's 8 of us. Okay, shortest mode, you have to pass the maximum number of tests with the lowest code size. So this is about file names, searching for file names. So the first line of input is a search term. This is what somebody would search. The next line of input is the number of file names we're getting. And then we have the list of file names. Our job is to see, so you want here, given a search string search and in file names, your task is to print in order of appearance which files match the given search string, considering only the order of the characters and not their adjacency. So it's about us finding FIL, so here's FIL, W, there's a W, B, there's BI, then we do FAM.js. So the order is correct, it's just we're missing a bunch of letters from here. And to this point, Trakt, TRAKT.tv website, they have a terrible search functionality and they could use a bit of this. Okay. I mean, I'm sorry if that's being mean, but it's pretty bad. But it's not like I would be able to do anything better. Okay, search in, and then we have, so here's our range, so each I. Oh, okay, so name is a file name. We have search. And what are we? We're outputting a list of files. So you know what I could do is do name. I need to do my comparison. Let's say I do my comparison. And I do print A. So now I can take this out. And now I just need to compare. So name and search. I need to go through each character of name for, let me get a range. Now I think on the one I did last week, we can just say I in name. Then I think actually I just want to tab these lines over, take this out, and then I just need this to be my comparison. And yeah, I was missing an equal sign. Don't need that. About if we put name and name. So I should be the first character, right? If I there's in. I in name. Okay, we don't want to print there. I can use remove. So I could there do index is right I index No, the other way around. It's name, index, I. Yeah, I think I'm making this way too complicated. So if I... Yeah, but I can't remove characters from name and then be able to output name. We can't use I, we're already using I. It's not gonna know what I to use. If you start with J in name, you start with the first character, which this is. It starts with the first character. Then you say, if J is in name, then you start at the index right after J. And you search for J plus 1. So what I really should do is, if it's not found in name, I need to exit the loop, which I don't know how to do that in Python. There are ways, but I think the code clash ended. No, it did not. I was wrong. Okay, so break is how we get out of a loop. So you would say not, then break. And then we can print name. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is where I'm having a problem, is I need to be able to start with the next character of name. Okay, so if we say in, alright, we don't want range there. Ah! Fine, whatever. Alright, let's look at this Python. I'm not allowed to view other people's codes because I'm still clashing. So, hopefully you can see whatever it was we were supposed to be doing. Oh, here we go. I'm a Clash of Code tester. Alright, Python. Oh, this one was changing the case. That's a good idea. You need to make sure everything's in the right case. I don't know what that character is or what it's for. There's a lot of these that seem like they would be a lot easier for me in Java than in Python, and I'm starting to not think so much of Python like I had used to. Oh, I'm only ranked 5 out of 8, so that's even better. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope that your projects are going well, and I'll see you next week.